still in the same form from my previous video, and in this one we're going to work on how to create a survey or a questionnaire. So what you want to do is just like normal, you want to go in and you want to ask your question. If this survey or questionnaire is not anonymous, I always recommend putting a question, what's your first name, and then what's your last name. The reason for that is because whenever you're looking at data, it's so nice to be able to filter by last name. So I'm just going to type. And notice how augmented reality automatically changed that to a short answer. If it doesn't automatically do that for you, you can click where it normally says multiple choice. That's what it always filters to, and you can pick short answer for that. To add a new question, you click this little plus sign right beside of the question that you just asked. And then you can just ask your next question. And notice it automatically changed that one to short answer as well. I'm going to click the plus sign again. And here is where you can just start asking the questions for your questionnaire. For this one, I'm going to act like it's just to get to know you for my students. And if I want to have a different type of question, like I probably would want that one to be short answer too. But let's act like I just wanted to give them a few options. I could click multiple choice, which would make them pick only one of the responses. If I wanted them to have a multiple select so they could pick more than one option, I would choose checkboxes. A drop-down menu sounds just exactly like what it is. They would have all of the selections and they would get to pick from that. Paragraph is paragraph text responses. If I click File Upload, that's going to require them to upload something from their Google Drive or something from their computer. A linear scale, you think about that as a question that's like from 1 to 5, which is your least favorite to most great. And a multiple choice grid we'll get to at a later time. So for this one, I'm just going to click multiple choice, and I'm just going to put in some color options. I'm going to click red, and I can press enter, and it will automatically add another option for me. Now I could add as many as I want to, and I could also, if it's a multiple choice question, click other, and that would require them to type it in. After I have that question, I'm just going to click my plus sign, and I can add as many questions as I want to. So, for instance, I might want to put like place vacation, and then I can give them this one in a paragraph so they could type out a longer response. If I click on the 3 dots, I can add a description to kind of give them a little bit more detail about what it is that I'm expecting. If your slider button for required is gray, that means that that is turned off. If it is a colorful button, like generically it's going to be purple. If it's purple or a different color, that means it's turned on, and students will not be able to submit the form without answering that question. So you could add as many questions as you want to for the questionnaire. Once you get it finished to your liking, you will press the send button. And to get a link, you can just click right here and copy that. Now you can also upload this to Google Classroom, or you can paste this link directly into a remind message for your parents. You can paste it wherever it is that you're giving your parents links or your students links.